At 1521, the Philippines was discovered by Magellan. They were stealing day and night across the big ocean until they saw a small Limasawa island. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on this shore. Did not understand the speaking they have done, because Kastila gid at walay-walay man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, lahat umabon with him, they will be really happy. All people were baptized and birth in Church of Christ, in that the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited in Mactan to Christianize everyone, Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore. In fact, Magellan, we go back home. When Magellan got to man, order his men to come pobla Mactan Island, we could not cry, cause the Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then the battle began at dawn, bulos and skirmishes ganon kanang. When Magellan was hit on his knee, stumbled down and cry and cry. Oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call the doctor, be quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Please tell my mama, do not cry. Please tell my mama, do not cry. Please tell my mama,